What's up guys, Chris here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to unbox this tripod. This is a KONIG KN-TRIPOD30. So let's jump into the video. So let's start. Here you can see some pictures of the tripod. The tripod's model is KN-TRIPOD30. I bought the tripod from a local store for less than $20 and it also came with a 2-year warranty. Here you can read various stuff about the item in different languages. And here we have the specs of the tripod. This tripod weighs more than a kilogram. It can extend up to 1 meter and 37 centimeters. Its folded height is 56 centimeters and it can carry up to 3 kilograms. So you should keep in mind that your camera shouldn't be more than 3 kilograms because then you could damage the item. Let's unbox it now. The tripod also includes a nice carrying case. Now let's extend the tripod. I won't extend the tripod fully because then the tripod won't be visible to the camera. In order to extend your tripod, you just need to open and close the clips, like that. The tripod can also get extended from here, like that. You can also extend the tripod from here, like that. Now let's check out the mount. The mount is removable. Here it is. I don't know why there's that second clip there. Please, if you know what's that, comment down below and let me know. Now let's put the mount back on the tripod. Okay, we made it. This tripod also includes a level indicator, which is really good. The level indicator will help you know if the upper part of the tripod is completely straight or if it isn't. If you want to mount your phone or another device on your tripod, you'll need something like an adapter that will be mounted on the tripod, and then you'll just have to clip your device on it. You can also change various things on the tripod, like its inclination. I'm going to show you right now. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like, subscribe, comment and donate. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Twitter. Peace.